Good afternoon, this is Paul. I'd just like to show you around of this beautiful 2015 Mercedes G63 AMG. It's a 5.5 litre twin turbo. It's got the exhaust coming out of the sides, which is one of the reasons why it sounds amazing when you start it up. Quite a big V8 growl and burble, so you've got two out of this side and two out of this side. Overkill on a grand scale, but why not? I don't think you buy one of these to waft by quietly. Mercedes answer to the Defender, albeit with a lot more power, a lot more comfort, a lot more toys. This particular car is in Mystic Blue. It's only done 20,350 miles. As you can see, you've got some privacy glass or some protective glass, depending on which way you like to look at it. You've got the nice big 5-spoke AMG wheels with great big tyres. The paintwork and the paint finish is lovely. It's in really nice condition. You've got the side steps which finish it off down at the bottom there, as you can see. And the car's literally only just come in, but it's lovely. It's a really nice thing. You can see you've got parking sensors on the front as well as the rear. You've got the goldfish bowl star headlamps. And then below here you can see the LEDs. And then you've got the repeaters on top of the wings. The all important insignia down the side of the car. And the repeaters on the side mirrors. The signature chrome spare wheel carrier. So there's a 5-seater, 3 in the back. You've got a nice amount of boot space, and as you can see, it's nice and tidy and clean. So what we also have with this car is the Mercedes rear entertainment. Still got the plastic on the screens on both sides, as you can see, and the headrests are just tucked in there nicely. It's got a lovely sand interior leather, and the leather is nice and soft, but it's also quite hard wearing, and it's in beautiful condition. So everything, there's no child seat marks on there, there's no wear on the outer bolsters. All the carpets are all nicely edged in sand as well, as you can see. Heated seats in the back, lovely. It's got a Harman Kardon sound system, so you've got in the back you've got tweeters, and then you've got your more bass speakers, and then you have some more in the front. As you can see, again, the sand panels, the memory seats, all your mirrors and what have you there, and then your Harman Kardon speakers. The leather's just really nice. It's Designo sand, as you can see. Nice, solid, comfortable headrests. Lots of adjustment on the seats, so you'll always find a comfortable position. That's your gear changer, low ratio, climate control. You have here heated and cooled seats, which is rather nice. All your 4-wheel drive buttons, and then your navigation display, which also caters for the camera when you select reverse. And we've got a nice black headlining with a sliding sunroof. We're just going to start it up. Don't know if you can hear that, but I'm not usually one to rev an engine, but it does sound absolutely awesome. There's remote control, and then you've also got your inputs for USB and the Mercedes own system. And as you can see here, 20,353 miles. Last serviced in January. This ticking over has got that sort of a powerboat burble to it. It's lovely. my name is Paul Beach. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like more details, please visit our website www.clinkardcars.co.uk and please give us a call for more details. Thank you.